Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining me today as we delve into one of the most intriguing and debated topics of our time: artificial intelligence, or AI. As we stand on the precipice of a technological revolution, we must ask ourselves: AI, or artificial intelligence, to be or not to be? This question echoes the timeless dilemma of embracing innovation versus safeguarding our humanity. Hi, I'm Raj Sukheja, your expert host today. I have a background of over 40 years and I'm a specialist in finance and business along with technology. More information is available on me in the description below. Please see the video to its end so that you are able to garner proper understanding of AI and its impact to you. At So True Business channel at Big Red Mammoth Network, we bring you simple to understand videos on a regular basis. So I request you to like, subscribe, and share the video to allow us to produce more and bring them out to you here at this channel. The promise of AI. AI holds remarkable potential to transform our world, from healthcare advancements that can predict diseases to autonomous vehicles that promise safer roads. AI is shaping industries and enhancing our quality of life. Imagine a world where mundane tasks are automated, allowing us to focus on creativity and innovation. This is the promise of AI, to be a tool that augments human capability and drives progress. Economic opportunities. The economic impact of AI is profound. It can lead to increased productivity, new job creation, and significant advancements in various sectors. Businesses can harness AI to gain insights, optimize operations, and deliver personalized experiences to customers. The question is not whether AI should be, but how we can best integrate it to maximize these opportunities while minimizing disruption. Ethical and social considerations. Yet with great power comes great responsibility. AI raises important ethical questions. How do we ensure privacy and security in an age of data-driven decision-making? How do we prevent biases in AI systems that could perpetuate inequality? These concerns must be addressed to ensure that AI serves humanity positively and equitably. It's crucial that we establish robust ethical frameworks and regulations to guide AI development and deployment. The fear of the unknown. Fear often accompanies the unknown, and AI is no exception. Concerns about job displacement, loss of control, potential for AI to surpass human intelligence are valid. However, history shows us that technological advances, while disruptive, can lead to new opportunities and societal advancements. The key is to approach AI with caution, foresight, and a commitment to ethical principles. Collaboration and regulation. The path forward requires collaboration between governments, industry leaders, and academia. By working together, we can create standards and regulations that ensure AI is developed responsibly. It's not a question of AI being or not being, but rather how it should be. We must strive for a future where AI complements human efforts and uplifts society as a whole. As influential figures, celebrities often shape public discourse on various issues, and their views on AI are no exception. Let's explore some of the diverse perspectives they offer on this transformative technology. Stephen Hawking, the cautionary voice. The late Stephen Hawking, a renowned physicist, was vocal about the concerns regarding AI. He warned that the development of full artificial intelligence could spell the end of the human race if not managed carefully. Hawking's perspective serves as a reminder of the need for caution and ethical considerations in AI development. Elon Musk, the advocate for regulation. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla and SpaceX, has frequently expressed his apprehensions about AI, calling it one of the greatest threats to humanity. Musk advocates for proactive regulation to ensure AI is developed safely. His stance highlights the importance of establishing guidelines and oversight to prevent potential misuse. Bill Gates, the balanced perspective. Bill Gates, co-founder of Microsoft acknowledges both the potential benefits and risks of AI. He emphasizes the importance of managing the transition to an AI driven world and ensuring that the technology is used to enhance human capabilities rather than replace them. Gates' balanced view encourages a thoughtful approach to AI integration. Mark Zuckerberg, the optimistic view. In contrast, Mark Zuckerberg, CEO of Facebook, is optimistic about AI's potential. He believes AI can improve our lives significantly, from healthcare advancements to education. Zuckerberg argues that fear should not hold back innovation, advocating for a focus on AI's positive impact. Will.I.am, the creative enthusiast. Musician and entrepreneur Will.I.am sees AI as a tool for creativity and innovation. He envisions AI as a collaborator in the creative process, enhancing artistic expression and opening new possibilities in music and entertainment. His enthusiasm underscores AI's role in transforming creative industries. In conclusion, the question of AI to be or not to be is not about choosing existence and non existence. It is about shaping the role AI will play in our future. We have the power to guide its development in a way that aligns with our values and aspirations. Let us embrace the potential of AI while remaining vigilant and thoughtful about its implications. Together, we can ensure that AI becomes a force for good, enhancing our lives and contributing to a better world. The opinions of celebrities on AI reflect a spectrum of views from caution to regulation, to optimism and creative potential. These perspectives remind us that AI is a complex and multifaceted issue, requiring careful consideration and dialogue. As we navigate the future of AI, let us draw inspiration from these diverse viewpoints, balancing innovation with responsibility. By doing so, we can harness AI's potential for the betterment of society while addressing the challenges it presents. Thank you for your attention, and I look forward to any questions or discussions you may have on this intriguing topic. This is your host, Raj Sukheja, signing off until we meet again.